recently I became a Christian Scientist. Because that was the only health plan I could afford. No, really, I'm very glad that we finally have health reform in this country, because clearly there's something very wrong with our healthcare system. Because Dick Cheney has had 6 heart attacks and he's not dead yet. And what was amazing to me was that there were actually people who were opposed to health reform. They just didn't want other people to have any. And there were people who were actually calling Obama Hitler. Really, they called him Hitler. How stupid are they? The Nazis would never have a black Fuhrer. And I have to say, you know, the Republicans have, well, let me just say this. You probably know that the Republican National Committee and Michael Steele got in trouble because they spent $2,000 worth of contributors' money at a sex club in West Hollywood, which specializes in lesbian bondage. And I think that this just shows how financially irresponsible the Republicans are. Because I know a lot of lesbians who would have tied them up and beat the shit out of them for nothing. And you know, former President Bush, I think, was evidence that maybe some children should be left behind.